Okay, part 2 here, guys. Look at number 8. If the supplement is 73, what is the supplement of that? What is it if you have an angle at 73 degrees, what is its supplement? Supplements mean they have to equal 180. So what am I going to do? 180 minus 73, my answer is, excuse me, is 107. Look at number 8, letter B. This time I want to know what is the complement. The complement. If the angle is still 73, what is the complement? I'm going to simply say 90 minus 73, because remember, a complement angle, the angles are total 90 degrees. But a supplementary, they equal 180 degrees, okay? So the complement of 73, we're going to say 90 minus 73 equals 17 degrees. Look at the top of the next page. Look at letter 9A. What type of angle is that? Is it acute, obtuse, straight, right, or adjacent? Think about it now. You don't have to measure it. You can look at this and tell because it's not very close. It's a what? It's obtuse. Obtuse is anything more than 90. Remember, a 90 is going to make a nice straight corner. This is bigger than, it looks like the top wall is falling over, so it's obtuse. Look at letter B. B is a what kind of angle? Good, it's a right angle. Without measuring, how did you know? What is in the book that tells you that it's a right angle? The little box at the corner. What is letter C? It is an acute angle. Okay, let's look at number 10. How do you write 49 in Roman numerals? Remember, a small number in front of a large number, we do what to it? What's the rule? We subtract. Well, we know that the letter L equals 50. So if I say XL, what's 10 less than 50 is 40. And I want this to say 49. So now I have to add the 9. How do I do that? Well, what is IX? 1 less than 10. So 10 less than 40 and 1 less than 10 gives us 49. Okay? Look at your next one. Letter B. We have the number 45. Okay? So in order to get 45, how do we get 40? We say 10 less than 50 and V equals 5. Okay? Look at your next one. What about 43? Write 43 on your paper real quickly. Okay? For the 40, you would have said XL to get 40, and the 3, 1, 2, and 3, 1, and 3 I's. Okay? Look at your next one. Letter number 11A. You have 16 and 7/8%. Okay? 16 and 7/8%. Well, the first thing we know we're going to do is we're going to drop this percent sign and do what? You know what? Let's do this this way. Let's change our fraction first. Okay? So we're going to make it 16 because that's the whole number. So put your decimal point. Now, what is 7/8 as a decimal? Hopefully you remembered that it was 8.875. Okay? So there's our percent. But we want it as a decimal. What are we going to do? We're going to drop the percent sign and move the decimal point 2 places to the left. So we have 0.16875. That's your final answer for letter A. Look at letter B. It is 4 1/4. If you have 4 1/4%, okay, change your fraction, to a decimal. What is 1/4? It is 0.25%. Now, we're going to drop the percent sign, moving our decimal point 2 places to the left. Guys, there's only 1, so what do I need to do? Annex is 0, so it's got to come over 2. So it's 0.0425. Okay, let's go over our terms one more time real quickly. You have complementary, which means 90 degrees. Supplementary means 180 degrees. The protractor is a tool to measure the size of an angle. Acute angles are less than 90 degrees. Obtuse angles are more than 90 degrees. A straight angle is exactly 180 degrees. A right angle is exactly 90 degrees. And adjacent angles are angles that have the two angles that have the same vertex and share one side. Now we had four kinds of triangles today. You have a right triangle. That means it has to contain one right angle. Then we had an isosceles triangle. There are 2 congruent sides in an isosceles triangle. In a scalene triangle, there are no congruent sides. And in an equilateral triangle, all 3 sides are congruent. Okay, I hope you use your notes. Use your notes to help you on your homework and do your very best work today. Have a good day, guys.